Welcome back to Project Manuals. We've got another unboxing today. This is our Bella multi-cooker. We've used it for about the last year and have been pretty pleased with it. However, we were really wanting to transition to be able to steam our produce in here. And the minimum amount of time you can steam is 5 minutes, which is about 4 minutes too long for most produce. So with that being said, we're ready to upgrade and add a new member to our family. And so with that, we're out with the old and in with the new. We have got a 7-quart Duo Instant Pot multi-cooker. It's going to be that way right there. And we're going to go ahead and get it unboxed. We wanted you guys to be part of that. We've got our paperwork and our cord. And just a heads up on this one, you will need about 15 minutes of setup time before you're ready to use it. So just make sure that you work that in to your day, the first day that you go to use it. Alright, so there she is. I'll get rid of some of this plastic. Now in the bag, you're going to have your startup guide. This is where that 15 minutes I was talking about, you're going to want to wash everything, of course, but your startup guide, you've got what's called a water test. That's just going to ensure that everything pressurizes the way that it's supposed to. Make sure you pay special attention to that. And then another page that's pretty awesome is going to be your cook time. So this is a lot of common things that people use inside the Instant Pot and how many minutes you're going to use, which is really, really awesome. Now for us, we cook eggs. There's an egg feature on here. We were cooking eggs already in the Bella. We purchased these just at Walmart. You can get them on Amazon. I'm sure you can get them in a lot of different places. We cook anywhere from 20 to I think 22, 24 eggs at a shot. It takes the 5-5-5 method is going to be your 5 minutes to cook, your 5 minutes to natural release, and your 5 minutes to ice bath. We'll show you that in another video, but this is super, super simple. And then we have this steamer as well. It's got little silicone feet on it so it doesn't scratch anything up. And then this. We've had a ton of steamer baskets, none with something so you don't burn your fingers up though. So this is what we use to go ahead and pull everything out. We just wanted to share that with you so you kind of can see what we use in our everyday life. So we'll get in here. This is going to be your condensation catcher. And it clicks in just right here, really, really easy. And with the Bella, it was actually quite a bit more of a fight. So this is really nice that it comes in so easily. And this is another piece I'm pretty excited about. Our last one was a non-stick. And it actually got quite a bit of buildup and you're sort of nervous to be able to scrub it too much because the non-stick may come out. This is stainless. You can scrub away and you don't have to worry about it. Your trivet's going to be right here. That's going to separate your meat from your water. And then one other thing, much like the Vortex, just make sure you're paying attention. There is a piece of paper in here, and I'm sure it will smoke if you don't grab it out of there. So to put this all together, we'll get it twisted around for you. This guy will just come in here, and that'll hold, oh, I have it upside down. That'll hold a lot of your things, whether you want to do cheesecake in there with a little springform pan, or your meat can go directly on there, all sorts of things. Now, you can't see this from here. I'll have Mr. Manual zoom in on it a little bit and just kind of add it to the video. There's a close and an open with a little caret, a little arrow. And on the front, there's one right here as well that shows open and then locked. So if you just match those up, that's going to be how you lock it. Now, my last one had white letters. It was a lot easier to see. This one's not quite so easy to see, but it's definitely there. We're going to go ahead and get it washed, do our water test, and you can look forward to some upcoming videos on some of the things that we like to cook in our Instant Pot. Thanks so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe button below and turn on your notifications. And we sure look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Hey, welcome back to Project Manuals. We're doing an unboxing today. Now this is our Bella, who can speak English, just turn that off here. Very similar to an Instant Pot, probably not the level of the Instant Pot, which is why we're unboxing new today. Sheet here, front and back. Oh, back's in French. The front then, depending on who you are. And then, here we are. And then it feels like it's about the same size as the Bella. I'll just clip this off here in a minute. And then it's so funny after using one for so long to kind of try to figure out where this one goes. Aha! That's not it. We will figure that out.